Hello, Assalamu alaikum. My name is Syed Ahmed Ali, and I've been facing the issue for baldness from about 8 years. And I went through New Roots Clinic online in social media, and I've planned this procedure for 2 days for 5,000 grafts here at New Roots. I work in Saudi Arabia basically, but I planned this during my vacation, and it was a 2 days procedure, and overall it went well. The staff here is also very cooperative, and also the facility is very good and a nice ambience. And yeah, the procedure went well, and hopefully the results will be very good in the future, inshallah. And I recommend people looking for a hair transplant in future to go for New Roots Clinic. Thank you.